new arrivals. I think they are ready. Let us go and see together. Wow. Wow. As you can see, my rabbit is protecting. It is protecting so that we cannot see. But let us see some. Hello, good morning, guys. My name is Moses. Subscribe to my channel, Royal Farmers Kisumu. Just as I told you yesterday that we are expecting new arrivals. I think they are ready. Let us go and see together. Wow. Wow. As you can see, my rabbit is protecting. It is protecting so that we cannot see. But let us see some. I want to see how many are they. Oh, they're beautiful.